Hi there, welcome to HappyAddons. In this tutorial, we'll show you how to use the Advanced Pricing Table widget. It lets you display multiple pricing plans in a single column. Visitors can switch between them using a sliding scale. For this, you need the Elementor free, HappyAddons free, and HappyAddons Pro plugins. Once they are ready, open a page, find the Advanced Pricing Table widget, and place it on your canvas. Next, write a title and subtitle for the table from the header option. You can even set a HTML tag for the title. After that, expand the pricing section. By default, there are 3 tabs. Click the first one. First, write a name for the plan. Then set a sales price, an original price, and the period for the plan. Next, come to Plan Tips. You can change its icon from the library and update its text. Writing features is so easy. Use this tilde character to add new features in the list. You can see the process in the video. Finally, add a CTA copy to the button and a destination page link in the respective field. So your first pricing plan is done. Close the tab and expand the second one. Now, in the same way, add necessary information to the respective fields of the second tab. Once finished, open the third tab. Add a name for the plan, set prices, period, tips, and other information. The process is same here as well. When the information part is done, start stylizing it. Let's first select the entire container and set a background color. Then set a radius to the edges of the container. Now select the widget and set the same color to its background so the design looks good. Now come to the Style tab. From here you can customize each part of the widget. Let's first change the typography of the title. In the same way, change the typography of the subtitle. Come to the Plan tab and expand it. Customize its typography, line height, and margin as necessary. In the same way, you can stylize the pricing parts. Then come to Plan Tips. Set a background color, text color, typography, and icon color. Next, set a background color and pointer color of the slider. Expand the feature section and change its typography as well. Now it's time for feature tooltips. Customize its background color and set a new typography for its text. Finally, the CTA button. Select a border type, a border color, background color, and a typography. You can even set hover colors for the button. When all customizations are done, it's time for enabling dynamic settings. Come to the Content tab and expand the Options section. Choose the dynamic option next to the currency type. This will show up the price according to users' locations. For further customization, you can include or exclude countries. If needed, you can move to the static mode anytime. You can change the feature icon from here. Next, change the slider style to the one you like. You can even hide the currency symbol and currency code. Finally, choose the right placement of your button. Now go to the preview page and check if it is working or not. This way you can use the Advanced Pricing Table widget. Hope you enjoyed this tutorial, and thanks for being with us till the end.